So this is a transformer from a 12-volt power supply. It was in this case. It put out 12 volts, 400 milliamps. But it doesn't really matter. I can salvage the power plug from here. I think I'll use it like that. But what my main goal is to get the wire. As stupid as it sounds, I can't seem to find this thickness of wire in my whole workshop / home or whatever. So I want to take apart one of these useless power supplies that has a transformer in it. In theory, it should have enough wire in here in the windings. So I took a look at how this is constructed. And in the old days, they would use screws to hold these metal parts together. But I see here it's glued. So these sheets of metal, I mean iron, yeah, or steel, these are glued together. So I don't know where to start exactly. Because yeah, the windings only come out when the two parts of the core, or what do you call this, when the metal things separate, then the windings will fall out. So yeah, I don't know how to do this. I never done this before on modern. You just put a box cutter between them and hope for the best, like that. And it should come out. Let's see. Try to force it. Yep, it's coming. Okay. So that I think will work. But it's... Wait, I think only the first few will come out this hard. And then it will be a lot easier. Ugh. Oh man. Easy and gently, my ass. I need a better position off camera here. I got it. So, yeah. And there's so these are basically E letters and I letters. When combined, they form a whatever core for the transformer. So yeah, let's see. Let's separate these. This is the I. Yep, just falls out. And these should come much easier. Maybe they are not even glued. Oh, perfect. Just slightly glued. Come on. Yeah. It comes out easy. But they are glued, yeah. That's interesting. So when you drop one of these, maybe the glue separates and then starts buzzing. If you ever noticed that. Electrically, they should be fine, still fine after dropping. But yeah, they can start to buzz because these sheets will come unglued and will have a play, have a will have a little space where they can move, resonate at least. Okay, I will need a new blade for this, but yeah, that costs like 10 cents, if that. And the copper wire that I will salvage from this would cost many dollars, not just cents. Maybe I can also use these pieces of steel for something else. This analog technology is no longer very useful nowadays. Maybe its components can be used for something. Maybe I could just drop this whole thing or squeeze it to move all the sheets. Yeah, maybe, but not really. They are all glued. Okay, so I just have to continue one by one. Like peeling an onion with 100 layers. Can't I do it more scientifically without cutting myself? Guess not. I will have to cut myself, because I can't pay attention for such a long time until I undo. I'm barely at 20% or something. Oh boy. When I was a kid, I used to play with these shapes, with these plates from Transformers. And yeah, it was fun. Especially the big ones. Yeah, it would have been easier if it was just a screw. But what are you gonna do? Man, my hands are getting sore. This repetitive task is not for it's for robots. Maybe a Tesla bot, which they'll make hopefully next year. But that will be too expensive for such tasks. As expensive as a car. Likely. We have no official word on that. So, man, this is boring. And it's not coming. Oh. Maybe if I dropped it on concrete or something. But then I risk damaging the wires. And yeah, that's what I need. I need the wires. Mostly. I'm curious to find out if this is stainless steel or simple steel, because it has no rust on it. Or it's plated with something. I don't know. What technology are they using nowadays for analog stuff? Okay, come on, I need you. Man, this is hard. Oh boy, I need a better position here. But it's almost done. It's time to cut myself accidentally. When I'm close to the finish, I get too confident, too excited, and then the inevitable happens. Yeah. Now it's falling apart. So yeah, that could have worked to just smash it. Yeah. What? Oh, it's having trouble separating in the middle because, yeah, it's separated from the pack. The pack holds the previous element in place, so I can separate the first one. Yeah, the things you learn when you destroy something. Yeah. Not artificial intelligence, just barely intelligence. Here I took off two, but no problem. One escaped. Maybe I can just attack one side like this and keep going. Now that there are too few here, just a few, I can go in and destroy. Okay. It seemed faster, but yeah. Oh, I remember. You're supposed to remove the eyes first, these. And when you hammer out these, then you can remove the rest much easier. Yeah, I don't know if it's still the design, but a long time ago that's how it was. And you had to use a hammer. Come on, come on, it's almost done. The last two pieces, yay! Okay, so it has significantly less copper than I hoped. Oh well, but I don't need that much. Really? Oh, this is cool. One coil separates just like that. This is a cool design. Really cool. I'm impressed. And this is the thicker wire. And this is the thin wire. This takes in AC from the wall outlet and converts it into 12 volts. I think it's higher, like 16 volts, and then some more electronics converts it further down to 12 or 14 or something, and under load it will be 12. Yeah, so I need this thicker wire, I think. Let's see how it is under the tape. Yeah, it seems okay and just about enough. This looks nice. You can start undoing it. Perfect. So I need about 10 times, 20 times as much. Yeah, this has enough. Okay, I can work with this. Now let's see how I can solder it. That's the last thing, then I'll end the video. So let's take some solder, which is here. Because it has some coating, enamel, or what do you call that shit? Yeah, let's put some more, like that. And let's try on camera, hopefully. Let's try to solder it. Man, my hand is shaking. Let me just concentrate a little. Okay, if I heat it up normally, then it can be soldered. That's perfect. Okay, I can use this. Let's see how thin the other winding is. Maybe I can use this too for something else, maybe. Yeah, this is too thin. I don't know what I'd use this for. This is like really thin. Look. Compare it to this. Yeah. Like 10 times thinner. But you never know what you can use this for. If you want to buy it separately, it costs several dollars. And now I got it for free. Just by messing with this transformer. I also got these nice little letters. I can write E. Yeah. E. Perfect.